guys. Hey internet, what's up? It's your boy Brady D. It's 9 a.m. We're here in Vegas. Welcome to another vlog series. Hopefully we don't get rinsed for every dollar I own, just like the last two trips. But we're in for a good time. We're gonna go get our bags, head to the Fontainebleau, grab some breakfast, and we'll bring you along. All right, internet. So quick update. Shout outs to our check-in lady. She got us in early. Didn't even charge us the check-in fee. We'll give you a room tour later, but we were hungry because we've been on a plane for the last 6 hours. So we crushed a little out bagel. I got a BLT. Lady got a mac and cheese. We're going to Walgreens, pick up some snacks, some essentials, a couple of room sodas. And yeah, we'll be back. And then probably hit the gym a little bit, try and fight off some jet lag, take a nap, another cup of coffee, and then we'll bring you to dinner. We're doing Ocean Prime tonight, which is one of our favorite restaurants ever. Not just this one, but back home as well, and hang out at the Bellagio. So it's good to be back at the Blue. It's beautiful. It smells like home. Yeah, we'll see you soon. Hey internet, welcome to the Fontainebleau. Come on in. Welcome to room 6831. This is a Gold King Strip best view. You'll get that view in a hot second. Here you are. So fun fact, there are smart buttons all across the room that allow you to control lighting, temperature, the wonderful curtains here. That's kind of about it, to be frank, with the smart buttons. Everything else is just kind of standard. As you can see, you have every luxury hotel room essentials, which is your bathrobe. Hot take, best bathrobe, hotel bathrobe I think I've ever had. Beekman, close number 2, Cadillac, number 3. Encore, I love you to death, but honestly, you're coming in off the podium at number 4. They're just a little too scratchy, a little itchy. Maybe, I don't know, use some conditioner on it. I don't really know. I'm not a bathrobe specialist. You got a nice little dining area here, which you can also get some work done. Obviously, we've got a computer with us, so we can move some footage off of our phones onto that stupid external hard drive. It took me forever and a day to find. Nice little seating area too. The bed's ginormous, but you have a bunch of room to hang out. Like if we had friends that were downstairs, we're like, hey, we're just gonna run up to the room, grab a drink or something. You can do that. They can hang out. They don't feel like you're kind of all up in your space. Yeah, and then speaking of space, tons of storage space. You got 6 drawers here. They're pretty full. We're all unpacked and moved in. As you can see, I'm already ready for the evening. Second best in-room amenity though in this place. Also something I think every hotel should offer, screw the ironing boards, a steamer. Nobody wants to iron on vacation. Nobody wants to pay for dry cleaning. Steamer though, easy peasy. Do I look wrinkled? No, not at all. Side note, shout out to my slipper gang on Twitter. I know you guys love these. I can't stand the ones that don't have backs on them, so you're on your own with these. Also, underrated shoehorn. I needed them to get on these barbershop quartet loafers that I was telling you about in my last video, but overall, 10 out of 10, don't recommend, or do recommend, my bad. Words are hard. I even had a drink yet. I've been in Vegas for like, what, 8 hours? No adult beverages yet. Even got a workout in, who am I? Shout out C-Bum for turning me into a better person. Here's our bathroom. Fun fact, I learned from Champ on Twitter that this is actually an accessible room. So you get your standard double vanity, nice and low. So you can just like, if you have to, you can wheel it up to it, which is great. You could great poop room, which I love to death. It's like my most favorite thing. Anytime I'm watching a real estate video tour or a hotel room tour, I love a dedicated room to go number 2 in. I don't know. It's just something peaceful. It's almost, I don't know, I can't think of the word, but you do get a massive shower in here. Rainfall shower, typical shower head, nice little cuck chair in the shower. We love a good hotel cuck chair. Hair dryer here. Honestly, haven't used it. This is all natural. I don't need any extra poop, but this is it. You do have a cooling fridge in here, so you can throw some cans in there, some water bottles. We've tried fitting like some of the larger like Fiji and Evian bottles. Doesn't really work. Same with like tall cans for White Claws. They get bumped when you push it in, so stick to your typical like soda style can. We got some ranch waters. Happy Dad also makes them like that, so shout out to the Nelk boys. That's really about it. You're gonna find a lot of bow tie details everywhere, from your ice picker thing to the coasters to the catch-alls to the little mat you can put your stuff on in the bathroom. Yeah, 100 out of 10. I love this place. I'm all ready for dinner. I've got the itch. I'm gonna go gamble. The lady's gonna get ready for dinner. She's got a nail appointment too. So we'll go MIA for a little bit. So I win some big hands maybe at blackjack or some nonsense. Maybe you'll see some of that. But we'll see you later. We're headed to Ocean Prime for dinner. I think I said that already. Who knows? New brain. Let me know when you're filming.
Yep.
I love dragons. Bang, 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 bang. Only 1 cent denom though, but first bonus of the trip. Not bad, not bad.
Oh, it's like a hold and spin, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go, that's nice, that's nice. We love dragons.
Really big.
So you didn't give us all of them, huh?
No, you keep going.
I don't think we're eligible.
Oh, we're not, yeah.
$5.
Oh, man.
We're rich.
Somebody else is happy.
Three, two, and go.
Congratulations!
Oh my gosh!
Thank you, boss. Appreciate you.